Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday just for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Just a day, just another year, good in our eyes, you are the best.
Happy birthday, Sarah! Hello, April. Happy birthday. Hi, Peg! Happy 21st birthday! More power sa career mo and sa love life. Love you. Happy birthday, Ate April! Wish you all the best. We love you! Mwah!
Happy birthday, Peg! Also na sweet. Huwag ka mag-diet, ha? Huwag ka mag-diet. Hindi mo lang yung ganyang... Okay, bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Peg! We love you! God bless!
Peg, happy birthday. Libre ka, ha? Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Peg! Blow out, ha? Hi, Miss Lamote! Happy birthday!
April, I want to wish you a happy birthday. I wish you more birthdays to come.
Ano meron? Happy birthday, April!
Happy birthday, Ate April! Happy birthday, Ate April! God bless! April, happy birthday! Happy birthday, April! Happy birthday, April! Ang ganda-ganda mo, manang-mana ka kay Alma. Hello! 1 year older and wiser too. Happy birthday, April! Oh. Hi, Peg. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, April! Happy birthday, Ate April! Happy birthday, April!
Hi April, hello, happy birthday. Grabe naman. Parang na-feel ko na talaga yung katandaan ko kasi tumatanda ka na rin. But anyway, ang mas mahalaga dyan, diba, yung puso natin bata pa. Lagi natin ugaliin na maging maganda at gwapo. So wish ko lang sa birthday mo na more good health and more life to come and blessing, abundant blessing, marami. Temporally and spiritually. So, yun lang yung wish ko sa'yo and lagi kang maging sa'yo. Happy birthday, darling.
Hello, Peg! Happy birthday! Magdidibo ka na, 21. Tanda mo na para tayo. Wish ko sa'yo sana stay healthy and more blessings to come and have life na maayos. Love you, Peg. Mahal naman ka namin. Happy birthday ulit.
April, happy birthday and best wishes. Ay, best wishes hindi pala para sa ulit. Wish you all the best for itong pang-friend. 21st birthday. Happy birthday ulit. Hi, Peng! Happy birthday this year. Tabuan ko naman. Beta dyan. Napakain ka. Sahay mo, dieta ka. Huwag ka na mag-dieta. Hindi mo yan kaya. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Sana maging happy. Hi, Effie! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to Tati! Happy birthday, Tati! I love you po! I love you!
Happy birthday!
Kahit na yung bukas ngayon nag-broadcast. Ito na, nagbabagang balita. Meron to artistang may birthday ngayon. Happy birthday? Sino? Si Teresa? Lori? Magtibal? Babida? Happy birthday, Bestie! Happy birthday, Bestie! Birthday? Bestie, thank you sa lahat. You know naman forevermore, our love will be always be together. Bestie, thank you sa lahat. So today, we're celebrating your birthday and I wish you all the best. Basta yung dudog sa love life. Good luck nga sa love life mo. Tama. Yun na, yun, no? Kumanda. Kumahaw para sa pambanta. Mahbago pa!
Lucky, I have to make you